Okay, let's see you jump. Do you like it in there? What can you do? Oh, let me see you go higher. Let me see you go higher. Oh man. Working up some phlegm with this workout. Do you hear the thumping on the floor? It's thunderous. Let's see you really get going. Wow. Whoa, that's some real jumping. That looks pretty good to me. Okay, see you later.